Hi everyone. Today we learn how to distribute certificates by using Autocrat tool which is provided by Google. Open your drive. Now it is best practice that put everything in one folder. Create one folder, certificate, create one folder. Now for certificate distribution we need two things. One is Google form and one is certificate. For that first we create Google form. This is blank form. Rename the form quiz. Now here we have to convert this Google form into a quiz. For that, click on setting, collect email address, click on quiz, click on this option, make this a quiz, click on save. Now our quiz is ready. Now first question denote email address. Now second question with name, click on required. Add one more question, college, college name, short answer, click on required. Add one more question, 2 plus 2 equal to. Options are for add all, required question. Our quiz is ready. Now create one certificate. For that, click on new, create Google slide, blank presentation. Now Google provide various themes, but our ready-made certificate, then just click on background and upload the file. This option is available if we click on slide, otherwise this option is not available. Then click on background, select image, browse. Now I have one sample file, open. Then now here we have to add name of the participant and college name. Then we just type here full name and we just add to this coding less than and greater than. Also we add here college name. So carefully just see whether this college name full name is same as this full name and college name. If we add one more space, then it will not display participant name. So carefully add space and don't copy and paste, because copy paste does not work in Autocrat. So everything must be a type format. Now our certificate is ready. Now open Google form, just rename form quiz. Now click on response, create spreadsheet, click on add-on button, get add-on, type here Autocrat, this is Autocrat, open it, install, continue. Select name, give permission, click on allow. Now installing AutoCAD software in spreadsheet. Now AutoCAD has been installed. Click on done, close the window. Now again click on add-on, AutoCAD, open. Now create new job, give name, certificate job, click on next, select template from drive. Now certificate file is ready. Select this certificate, then click on next. Now here data is option also. Now first row is about header row and the actual data starts from second row, and these are the tags, that is full name. Now this full name is matching to full name, this college name is matching to college name. Now click on next. This header or these tags must be matched. Now next, provide file name. Now you can save file name as a participant's name. For that we need this tagline full name, but remember, don't copy and paste. So I am just clicking here, double less than name. Now output must be in terms of Google slide or PDF. Generally we select PDF, and the output as multiple outputs. Uh, that means individual file is sent to a person, and this single output mode means all the file get combined. Now click on next. Now this is our destination folder. All file or all certificate saved in this folder. Now click on next, next, next. Now you can share this doc to participant. Click on that. Yes. Now share doc as PDF. Now send from generic no reply address. Click on no or yes. It's your choice. Now this is the email address of the participant. For participant email address we use email address. Now the subject of the mail is certificate. Now here we can type the message, congratulations. You can type here participant name also. For that, type full name, click on next. Now this is add or remove job trigger. Now we keep as it is. These triggers are very useful to send certificates automatically. So after finalization of this setup, we click on both yes, yes. So for now, we just click on save button. Now this is our trigger. If we click here run job, then certificate get distributed. You can edit, you can view, you can delete the job. Now you can click on preview. Now it shows that no row will be merged, none meet merge criteria. Job's name is certificate, full name PDF. Uh, Now here preview for first mergeable row is not showing. We can close here. You can verify the details. Just verify tags 2 times. Here full name, college name. Now email address is not showing. Now the next email address, full name. Click on save. So I will just fill the Google form. Just copy link and open in another tab. Fill the form. Full name XYZ, XYZ, XYZ. College name ABCD. Plus 2 is 4. Now here there is no criteria for passing. So just click submit. Now here you get. Now let us check Autocrat open. Open Autocrat. Click on preview job detail. Preview for first mergeable row because we have first entry. Now document successfully created. PDF created. Preview email sent to Canvas. My email ID, and this is preview. This is the certificate. Now whether I have received mail or not. Yes, I have received mail. Congratulations XYZ XYZ. My name is here. Now done. Now we can run job. Now it shows one row will be merged. Close. Now here we can see ID of the certificate. This is link to share certificate via link. This is name and this is the whole detail. of the document. Document successfully created, document successfully merged, PDF created, email sent, and this is mail ID, and sent from this canvas dot Sagar Khairnar 1604 mail. Timestamp is 25th May at 6:04 p.m. Now check. Now I am checking my mail whether I have received or not. Now I have received certificate. Here we get ID of the certificate. If we click on this link, then this link provides certificate of the participant in PDF format. Similarly, this certificate gets stored into the folder where we have saved all the file. This is the certificate. Thank you.